Hi, welcome to the Splink integration. This video will show you how to send off a payment link for transactions on an account. Right-click on the transaction or use the menu button in the bottom right of the screen. Select Payment Links. Select Create New and Send. Now select the transactions you wish to create a payment link for. We are using the deposit and first month's rent. We can now inspect the email and using the preview button check that we are happy with the information before sending. Once you've checked it, click Send. We have received the money in from our tenant, Kevin. The payment link has allocated automatically to the deposit and first month's rent. Once the homepage refreshes, we will use the reminder to transfer the remaining balance of the deposit to the deposit account. As the start date of Kevin's tenancy is in the future, the landlord's to pay reminder hasn't appeared on the homepage. If you would like to see the money on the landlord's account, click Tenancies, click the icon next to the landlord's name. Next, click Account. You can see the money is waiting till this date to be paid. If you need to pay it today, double-click on the amounts and change the received date to today's date. The homepage reminder will appear. You can pay to the landlord the balance after the management fees have been taken off. This concludes the Splink integration. You can follow the same steps we took for the deposit and first month's rent for any other transaction you wish to use the payment link for. Thanks for watching. Click here for more Splink videos or here for more Acquaint desktop videos.